Hi, are you passionate about teaching the software courses like Java, Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and SQL? So, if you have knowledge about these technologies and you are enthusiastic and passionate about teaching these technologies, we at Harsha Trainings looking for trainers on all these technologies: Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and SQL database. And if you are looking to earn extra income apart from your current job, you can take this as a part-time job to earn extra money, and you can join us to teach full stack courses to our students. And we are looking for online mode of trainers as well as classroom, those who can deliver classroom mode of trainings. Harsha Trainings is located in Hyderabad. Anyone in and around Hyderabad nearby KPHB, if you are willing to take up this opportunity to become a classroom trainer, or anyone even from far away distance, if you want to take this as an opportunity of teaching in online mode, then you are welcome. So you can call us or WhatsApp us on the number scrolling in this video. So please reach out to us if you have any further queries. Definitely becoming a part-time trainer, at least you can earn an extra income of 1 lakh rupees per month. That is for sure. But you have to have the passion towards teaching and delivering good subject knowledge to the students with real-time projects. If you are falling into that category and looking for a good opportunity and platform to prove yourself, then Harsha Trainings welcomes you. If you are any one of your circle members are looking for this opportunity, please share this video and subscribe to this channel for more opportunities like this. Signing off, Harsha.